Hello, dear Cancerians. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I hope you all are doing great. Now, Cancerians, before we begin our reading for the month of November 2020, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So, Cancer, let's begin our reading for the month of November 2020. And I have your cards for this month. And yes, okay. You seems to have moved from some situation, from some toxic situation, Cancerians. Um, that is what the first card is showing me. The Queen of Swords is, this is showing me that you have moved yourself from a from some toxic situation or away from toxic people, and you have decided that you will not allow yourself to suffer more. That's a very good thing. That's an appreciable job. Bravo thing, Cancer. And yeah, so I am seeing again that yes, though you have moved, see there are things, just let's be prepared for this month that delays, procrastination is on the cards this month. So delays are going to happen. Okay, so if you are expecting that now that you have moved from something, things will move out more faster, this is not going to be the case immediately. So this is a more testing time now for you, Cancerians, and you need to have some patience here, because yeah, with the Hanged Man here in the present position, I'm seeing that I'm seeing that yes, things are, just like hampering, where they may not move smoothly, or sometimes they may not move at all. Okay, so what is required is, perseverance and patience. So remember that this month, Cancerians, so you're not just going to leave your patience here. You're not going to leave your patience. You need to have patience, perseverance. Okay, uh, yes, and just be calm, just be relaxed. Don't think that things are not moving in your favor or not moving at all. What should I do? So don't, just keep ignoring and just keep doing what you are supposed to do. Yeah, and but then yes, such a wonderful card here after this time testing period here. So I have this Ace of Wands here, and this says that Cancerians, yeah, Ace of Wands with me gives me a feeling that yes, there is something, this your wait is, is going to pay off. Okay, so there are chances of something new starting, some new opportunities coming your way very soon. So you, but till then you need to have patience. It's not going to be immediately, probably by end of this month, also by end of month November or in the beginning of December, that may happen. So the more or the more comfortably you wait, the sooner will this will happen. That is what I can tell you, dear Cancerians. So yes, there's a good thing happening around, and till that time things may not be clear to you, of course. So just be prepared. See, the things are not going to be clear. You are just, you are, so till that time you just have to calm down. You just have to, don't worry, don't panic. Okay, because the Moon card here in the environment, this is clearly giving me an indication that things may not be clear to you. So this time listen to your intuition. You may not be getting, what is exactly that you're supposed to do, a guidance if you're seeking, that may not happen. And yeah, and, you are not able to understand what is happening around you. So you just have to calm yourself, and family support will be there, of course, for you this month. And you may also be having some different opportunities coming your way. Okay, different things coming up on your way, or maybe on your mind also. You want to do this thing, that thing, that is, and you like, you will be keep you will be engaging yourself with, with different activities. And that is what, I'm seeing that that may take consume more of your energy. So it's better if you can reduce your task, if you can reduce what exactly you want to do, and just strategize the things, and strategize these things, and then focus on few things instead of just simply being in everything. Focus on few things at a moment, and then probably other things you can do it a later point of time accordingly. Yeah, so this is what I'm sensing, feeling here, Cancerians. I have your energy card also, which is a storm warning card, and nothing to worry much about it, Cancerians. So storm card is saying that yes, there is going to be some sort of emotional turbulence happening, okay, which you may already be aware of it, if maybe at this moment also you are already aware of it. So there is this is what you see. Some internal conflict, some disturbances are bound to happen this month within you or with others also, but you don't really have to worry, and that is why I said don't react to any situation immediately, and just be patient and be calm. Okay, this is very much important, this is very much required this month. And I'm also seeing later in probably in the next half of the month, in the later part of the month, yes, there will be a guidance coming your way. King of water, I have as a clarifier for your energy card. So where I'm seeing that you will be getting some trustworthy guidance for this, for to deal with this storm coming to you. Okay, and nothing to worry. I mean, just remember these things, that you have to have patience and you need to perceive things without disturbing yourself. So that is it. And the yes, and then very soon I again want to say yes, if you are going to just calm this month, I mean just be relaxed this month, not reacting to for any situation, for anything happening around, and at the same time not predicting also that this is going to be like that. I mean, not putting yourself involved with everything, right? So if you are going to do that, if you are going to put yourself away from these things, very sure very soon you are going to get a good opportunity also coming your way, yeah, which is going to enhance your income, which is going to enhance your financial position. So that's going to be really a good thing, Cancerians. But this opportunity may take few months, but here is the seeds have already been sown. So this is how you are going to reap your seeds this month. So this is very important, Cancerians. Yeah. So with this, I wind up for this month. I really wish you good luck. Cancerians, and I also wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Yeah, have a great time. I'll see you again in the next month. Till then, take care. Bye bye.